Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to remove Yahoo Search from Chrome. First, let's open up Chrome here and see that when you search something, it opens up on Yahoo Search. Like this one, it opens up in Yahoo instead of the Google search engine. So to fix this, or if you want to remove Yahoo Search, click on the three dots at the top right part of the Google Chrome window. And from here, let's open up Settings. After that, we have some options at the left part of this page and click on Startup right here, right below Default Browser. From here, we're going to select Open a specific page or set of pages and click on Add a new page. Now we're going to enter the URL of Google, which is www.google.com. Click on Add once you have entered that URL. And it should be like this. So when you open up Google Chrome, it will automatically open google.com. Next, what we're going to do is to click on search engine right here, right above the default browser. And as you can see, the search engine that you currently have is Yahoo. So click on change right here and select Google. Once you have done that, click set as default. And when we click on manage search engines and site search, we can see that Google is now our default search engine. For example, we're going to open up a new tab and we're going to search for something. It should open up on the Google search engine. And if you restart Chrome, it should automatically open the Google search when you open Google Chrome. And that is how you can basically remove Yahoo Search from Chrome. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.